Hello friends, I am Susmita and today we are going to discuss about above mentioned code. In this piece of code, execution will start at line 1 and it's assigned two numbers num1 equals to 5 and num2 equals to 15. Then in line number 2, ans equals to add bracket open num1 comma num2 bracket close. Here add function is calling with two parameters which carries two arguments or values 5 and 15. From the position from this position the control shifted into line 3 where def add num1 int comma num2 colon int bracket close return int. In this line both values are copied to num1 and num2, which is num1 is to 5 and num2 is to 15. After this control goes to line 4. Here num1 is added to num2 and the value is stored in num3, which means num3 equals to 20. Then line number 5 will execute and it throws the value of num3, that is 20, and the control again shifted to its calling position and ans stored the returning value 20. Finally, in line 6, the value of ans is print with suitable message.